Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can top up your credits in ElevenLabs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're running short of credits and you wish to top up for your AI creations, it's pretty simple. Just log into your ElevenLabs account, and once you're logged in, head over to your profile here and click on it and choose settings. Now from our settings page, you should be able to see your current plan here. Or if you are just using credits, you can see more about your account by just clicking on manage subscription. Under this, you should be able to see under 11 creative your current credits. You can see I have used credits. Currently I have 0, but I have under balance of 10,000 credits. So if you have already exhausted your credits and you wish to top up, then you can do this by going to bill here. As you can see, I'm on a free plan. So if I want just to buy credits, I'll just go to billing here, and from billing you will see your current details such as plan, remaining credits, and credit reset time here, as well as we have an option to top up. Now to top up our credits, click on add credits, and here you can enter the amount that you wish to make the purchase. As you can see, $3.46 currently is equivalent to 10,000 credits. So you can enter the amount you wish according to the credits you want before you can proceed to add credits. However, if you are yet to add your credit card, you can go back to this billing and go to manage billing information. And from here, you should be able to add your billing details. So that's how you can top up your credits in ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.